IPL is intense pulse light. We use this laser in office to improve red and brown spots. You may notice these as little broken blood vessels around the corners of your nose or in your cheeks, especially if you suffer from rosacea. This is a very common condition that we treat in office with the IPL. This is a great treatment to receive in the fall and winter months because, especially here in Florida, the sun is just not forgiving at all. Sun exposure, retinol use, and medication that makes you photosensitive are all reasons why you may not be able to receive this treatment. We need to make sure that you don't have any sun exposure for 2 weeks before or 2 weeks after. Unfortunately, if those rules aren't followed, we can have laser burns that can occur and result in blistering and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, which is a fancy word for a dark brown spot. It is vital that you avoid hot showers, excessive heat, and make sure that you wear your sunscreen every single day and reapply, especially in the 2 weeks after your procedure, to avoid any complications. The price range for this procedure is anywhere between $350 to $875, depending on the areas that we're treating. Now, we can treat the face, we can treat the neck, we can also treat the whole décolleté. The décolleté oftentimes is forgotten, but there are reds and brown spots that come up on the décolleté from sun exposure year over year, especially because we tend to forget to put our sunscreen in those areas. After your treatment, it will feel a little bit like a sunburn, but that's gonna get better day by day, and then eventually by 1 week, you won't really feel like you've had anything done. The dark spots will actually start to lift up and kind of look a little like coffee grounds, and that's okay because they'll actually lift up on their own and flake off. It's very important that you don't pull off any of this flaking skin. To maintain your results, it's important to receive one single treatment of IPL per year.